All right, so I think that actually mixing cement is a lost, forgotten craft. So
it is this way.
yeah. So I have a hole in my foundation, so Brian has come over to help me fix it. And this is sand, and we're doing 3 parts sand, 1 part regular old cement.
Portland cement, yeah. Have to get the cement mixed into sand nice before we add the water.
That's a lot less water than I would have imagined.
Yeah, and we won't use all of that probably. When you're doing stonework, you want to mix your batch as dry as you can and still have it so that you can form it. But with bricks, you want it kind of, you're using mortar brick, and you want it kind of almost soupy because the bricks got moisture so fast that anything less, it would just get too stiff and move it around. And with bricks, you want to be able to squash them down into the...
Yeah. Some of them have a sort of almost hollow.
Yeah. Either they got holes in them. Well, the backer bricks usually have holes in them or a concaved surface to really grab the mortar. You know, showy bricks, finished bricks, and antique bricks, they don't have those. They generally have cat tracks and things like that. This is just about where we want it. See, it looks crumbly.
Yeah.
Smooth it out. So this is good. We've taken and cleaned out the stones with a brush here. We don't want any loose soil, topsoil and stuff like that. And we'll make it so it won't stick. This is one of the fun things in life, I think, doing stonework and stuff, because it just lasts for a long time and it looks nice.
So I think I forgot to film the first part, but what you did was you put a bed of cement underneath this rock to sort of flatten it out, and this wood holds it all in place, and then you stack from there.
Gives you kind of a foundation to build off of. Let's see, which one do we want to use? Yeah, this one, I think this is the one I was leaning towards anyway.
The other thing to point out, I know when I woke up it was 33 degrees, but it's maybe 40 now, I don't know.
No, I don't know if I took much off of that, but just enough, maybe. Put it in the right way, it helps. Yeah.
Nice. So you said it just has to be above freezing?
Yeah. Ideally, I mean, it's going to get in the 50s today, they say, so it'll be perfect for it setting up. Oh, this is a tight spot, so I got to do sort of fitting it in with my hands. You kind of feel pretty good about, you know, making sure it's filling the gaps. So, our last little key. Do we have it here? I might have to take a walk, which is part of the game. Yeah, let's take a walk and see if we can find that last little key.
I don't know where we're gonna find a stone around here. Oh, what about this? No, it might be too big.
I did see one that was close. This is closer in shape. Too big. Might do it. We should probably walk down to there to see if there's one that looks even better.
Oh, do you see the bluebird?
Still?
Yeah, it just came out of the, and the female is on the,
Oh, huh. What are you guys thinking? Wrong end of the calendar, guys.
Yeah.
Go home.
The male is so blue.
I think we should squeeze one more out.
Yeah.
That is a nice stone. I think we've ended our search. Ooh, that's a work. Actually works better. Probably have to go in the basement and push a little bit back on it. And then there. This spring, I'm going to be doing the leprechaun house, and that'll be fun because even though it's going to be in miniature, I'm going to do it all in field stone and little mini bricks that I got to make. I can't help it that Jardine is going in there.
Hopefully that'll never need to be touched ever. Not in my lifetime.
Yeah, you do this stuff willingly once. The hollow right there. I'll be falling out the backside as fast as I push it in. It's no work of art, but it'll work. Art.
I think it looks pretty good. A lot better than expanding foam.
This is where that term comes from. Throwing shit against the walls. Works really good, but I think maybe you could go in there and push back a little bit on that right there, because it feels like it's nothing there. You're just pushing that upper right hand to you corner.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel that.
Yeah.